first impression ko sa kanya, bukod sa maganda, she is also mentally attractive. Kaya nagustuhan ko si Pauline.
First impression ko sa kanya, na nagustuhan ko rin sa kanya is, pag tinignan mo siya, alam mong smart siya. Gusto ko yung smart guy. At yun siya.
There's a world of endless color waiting for us to.
Niligawan ko siya in a traditional way. Pupunta ako sa bahay. Yun, doon ko siya nililigawan sa kanila.
Talagang pumunta siya sa amin. Then, pinupuntahan niya ako sa school. Parang, hindi siya secret. Hindi siya secret na panliligaw. So, pinursu niya talaga.
Step out on the open road into the great unknown. Here we go. Here we go.
Hello, love. We're finally here. We're getting married. Sobrang saya ko lang na worth it lahat ng pag-iintay. May we continue to honor God.
So, Pauline, ito na yung araw natin. Hoping na magkasama tayo sa habang buhay.
Grew up believing with wholehearted dreaming that I'd find my prince someday. He would come riding on a white stallion and whisk me away.
We're finally here. We are now standing before God and our loved ones. I still can't fully express how grateful I am to the Lord for blessing me with such a supportive and selfless man like you.
I found in you, 'cause I found so much more than Prince Charming. Found a man who was honest and kind.
We were once strangers, and yet, look at us now. From strangers to lifetime partners. We both remember our encounters back then. It's like the Lord was already whispering to us, "For now, here's the glimpse of your answered prayer. In the right time, I will bring you together." And He did.
Importante ang love dahil hindi ka man pwedeng magpakasal ng walang love. You are here precisely sa harapan mga parents nyo ni Natinong, sa harapan ng Panginoon. We want to show, to prove your love for one another.
Though there are times we don't see eye to eye, I am always on your side.
Isang taon kalahati. Imagine, no? 1 year and a half. Baka minsan hinahabol pa ng aso yung tatay mo pag nanliligaw. Yung mga tatay natin, bagay ang sinagot natin mga nanay, bumibilang ng taon. Yung tatay natin, naninilbihan pa, sisibak ng kahoy.
In every word of my promise, to stand by your side through it all. From the highest highs to the lowest lows, every step of the way we will see how beautiful love can be.
Sa daang-daang sulat kamay na liham ko sa iyo, ito na marahil ang isa sa pinakamahalaga. Salamat sa pagmamahal na hindi nagsasawa, sa paghihintay na walang hinihinging kapalit, at sa pananatili kahit kailan ay hindi naging madali. Pinili nating maghintay, pinili nating magtakbo sa isang daan. Isang daang inilaan talaga para sa ating dalawa.
Trials that come our way, this is a love that I promise you all of my days.
You are my Leopoldo. You are my you, the man who chooses to love me at my most unlovable state. Today, I promise I will strive to be the wife God wants me to
I
be.
thank my mom and daddy who taught me to wait on the one God would bring. And I'm grateful your parents have raised you to be all I hoped you would be. All my life I've dreamed of this moment, but I never could have believed.
Pangako kong maging isang ama na hindi perpekto, pero laging nandyan. Para umakay, magturo at magmahal. Pangako kong maging best friend mo sa bawat yugto ng buhay mo. Mula sa pagtawa hanggang sa pag-iyak, mula sa maliliit na tagumpay hanggang sa pinakamalalim na laban. At higit sa lahat, mahalin ka. Hindi lang bilang asawa, kundi bilang pinakamatalik kong kaibigan, kasangga at kakampi habang buhay. Mahal kita.
Love can be